Greetings and good wishes to Dr. K.V. Ramanamurthy on the occasion of his attaining the age of superannuation and retiring from university service. Dr. K.V. Ramanamurthy is initially my student in B.Pharm, M.Pharm and PhD, and later he has become my colleague and good friend since 1985 when he joined as lecturer in Andhra University. I know Ramanamurthy rather intimately since 1980 when he joined M.Pharmacy in pharmaceutic specialization, and later on we lived together in the university for more than 30 years till I retired in 2010. We worked together in the same laboratory and sat in the same room called machine room for several years, and daily we used to go to faculty club together only for tea 2 times a day, and we never went alone, we were always together. But Ramanamurthy is my first and the best PhD student among all the 100 PhDs I have guided so far. I feel proud of him. He has become very successful and in teaching and research in pharmaceutics in the country, and won several awards and distinctions for his excellent performance at national level. Ramanamurthy is very dynamic. Ramanamurthy is disciplined in all aspects, including his food habits. He maintained the same physique and pleasing personality during the last 30 years. He is always dynamic and takes responsibilities and organized several activities in the college. Dr. Ramanamurthy also helped me in several aspects when I worked as head of the university department and later as principal of the University College of Pharmacy in Andhra University, for which I am thankful to him forever. I congratulate Dr. K.V. Ramanamurthy for all his achievements and awards received, and I wish him a long, healthy and peaceful retired life. May God bless him and his family with health, happiness, peace and prosperity in the years to come. I wish him all the success in all his future endeavors. Thank you all.
Good evening. It's a great pleasure and a privilege to be giving this warm message. A warm message that is also laced with my blessings and warm wishes to Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy and to his dear wife Srimati Satyavani. And this message is being given on this day, August occasion of the superannuation of Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy from services in AU College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Retirement is a day that comes in everybody's life. It's a milestone. And Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy has reached that milestone in an excellent manner. After excellent performance, many successful stages, there are many highlights in his splendid career spanning over more than 3 decades. So after having achieved all this, he has come to his retirement, and this is a day and a time at which he can look back with great satisfaction on all his successes and on all his achievements. He brought laurels to the institute in which he worked during his long stint. During the long stint during which he held many positions, honorable positions, and worked for the institution for the growth of the alma mater in a number of ways. Myself and Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy, we shared a lot of years together in service. We worked together for more than 3 decades. We worked in the same specialization. We shared teaching subjects like physical pharmacy in B Pharm and advanced physical pharmaceutics in M Pharm. We shared theory teaching as well as practical teaching, and we used to interact day in and day out. And I used to love the interaction which we used to have in the course of teaching, testing, raising question papers, modifying syllabus, and also in raising the practicals. Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy has a special expertise and enthusiasm in designing practical works. And we participated as co-team members in a number of occasions in IPA, as a part of IPA Visakhapatnam branch, in celebrating National Pharmacy Weeks, in being ethics committee members, in conferences, and in many other occasions we performed together with a lot of understanding and interaction, and we did good contribution to the growth of the alma mater, which is for both of us. We were students in the same college. So I wish Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy and Mrs. Satyavani a lot of happiness, success and achievement in their coming future. So this is a wonderful occasion, and on this day I bless them with a lot of happiness. I wish them a lot of success and happiness on Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy and Mrs. Satyavani and their children and grandchildren. On all of them, I wish God Almighty to shower His blessings. Thank you. When I look back on our working together for our more than 3 decades in research and in teaching, together as we worked, Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy and myself, there are many moments which I remember with a warm feeling in my heart, with a sense of happiness. So there were these days when we used to work till late. Whether it was late or whether it was 4:30 or 5 p.m., if I came out of my room and onto the outside the gate, and if there was no vehicle, if I was standing there for even a minute asking somebody to get me an auto or anything like that, if Professor Ramanamurthy ever noticed me, he would not allow that at all. He would say, "What is this? Why should you do this?" And either he would assign somebody to drop me home or he would himself bring and drop me home. This was especially when so many days we worked late into the evening, 6:37, 7:38, especially if these times were at the time of M.Pharm thesis submission.
Good morning, Ramanamurthy garu and my dear friends. This is Dr. G. Girija Shankar, Professor, AU College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. It is my privilege and a great opportunity for me to speak about my Guru, Professor Ramanamurthy garu, on his superannuation day. First of all, my pranamams to all my Gurus and wishes to my younger friends and students. I am the first student of Professor K.V. Ramanamurthy and I have done my research under the able guidance of Professor K.P.R. Chowdhury and Professor Ramanamurthy garu. As a first research student and his fellow colleague, I want to share my memories and experiences along with him during my tenure. So, first of all, he is an excellent teacher, researcher, and a great administrator. I have learned so many things during my tenure from him. But there are two important things I want to tell you which I have learned from him. That is, the first one is the planning and execution of work. It may be either research or teaching or administrative work. And the second one is, especially in the administration point of view, supervision of work. Sir never compromises in the quality of work even in the 10th minute. That is why in his work there are very, very few errors you can see at any time, or even no more also. I have learned a lot of things from him during my association as a colleague in the university. Especially, I have taken a lot of suggestions from him, and in my personal life, like my elder brother. Really, we all missing you, sir, for your physical presence or for your immediate response. I hope we all request the university authorities to continue your research and academic activities with your permission even after superannuation, that is. I pray the Almighty to give sirs and his family members a healthy, happy and peaceful life after his retirement. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all.